everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Target. I really was excited to shop at Target today because there were some deals. I was up in the middle of the night last night, and what I do is I either binge watch Netflix or I check my phone, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna check Ibotta and see if there's any new rebates. So at like 2 or 3 this morning, I was checking out Ibotta and they had some new updated rebates, and I'm just like, yes, 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 yes. So I'm here to share with you guys some really good deals, especially diaper deals. And a lot of you guys are like, I need some baby deals. I think this is a pretty decent deal for diapers. If I had more of the P&Gs, which I didn't, I could probably they have this deal right now. If you spend $100, you get a $20 gift card. If I had more coupons, I'd probably do that deal, but I didn't. So I'm going to see if maybe I can get some more coupons and maybe do this deal again. If I do, I will let you guys know, but I am pretty excited to do this deal and share with you guys. So I'll do the diapers in just a second. My desk is just swamped. But I did end up doing more deals at Target this week than I did at Walmart. Walmart didn't have a lot of stuff on hand, but I did do it. I'm going to do a video for that, but I want to share with you guys Target first because I'm pretty excited about Target. So the first deal I got is the Goldfish Epic Crunch Goldfish, yeah. So this was ranch. They had other flavors. I thought ranch kind of sounds interesting to me. So these were $1.99, and on Cartwheel there is a 25%, I want to say rebate, but a 25% deal or coupon that you guys can use off the Cartwheel app. Then you guys would end up paying $1.49, but here then you guys will get 75 cents off of Ibotta for a rebate, making the final price for this just 74 cents. So I think 74 cents is a pretty good deal. Usually sometimes you can get these as low as 99 cents is what I've seen them, but 74 cents for these are pretty good. I'm excited. Ben loves eating goldfish, so these are great snacks, a good snack to have on a road trip. You know, people are starting to get ready for summer, so definitely try that. If you guys want to do that. Now I did the chic deal. Now I did it a different way so I could get more rebates back with Ibotta. So what I ended up doing is I got the Chic Quattro razors. Now make sure you guys do scan these because sometimes when the bonuses pop up, the rebate doesn't always work. So I know it's weird, but just make sure you guys definitely check that out. So what I ended up doing is I got 2 of the Cinq Quattro razors. These were $5.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons. Now you guys can only use 2 coupons, paper coupons. You can use, I think you could use a coupons.com coupon. Otherwise, there is a $3 off coupon on the Target Cartwheel app if you guys want to use the Target app. So what I ended up doing is using 2 paper coupons and 1 digital coupon. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But these were $5.99 and the men's ones were $5.99 also. So I got all 3 of these razors for $5.99 each. I used 3 $3 off coupons. So again, 2 paper, 1 digital. But then there's a deal where you guys get a bonus if you buy one of the Skintimate or Edge. So I bought the Skintimate. So this was $2.99 and I used a $1 off coupon for that. So for all 3 of these, you guys would pay $10.96 for all 3 of them. Now if you guys want, you could do 3 of the Quattro or 3 of the Extreme 4, but I really wanted to finish level 3 and I really wanted to get these bonuses. I needed 20 rebate, or I needed like 17 or 16 rebates to finish level 3 and to get this Memorial Day bonus. So that's why I kind of mixed and matched. So I ended up getting a $3 rebate for this one and a $3 rebate for this one. So these are 2 different rebates. And you guys get a $1 rebate for the Skintimate. So so what you guys would get, sorry I'm not trying to confuse you, you get a $3 times 2, a $3 rebate, and a $1 rebate on Ibotta. But then you guys will also get a $1 when you buy the 2 of these combined bonus. So that comes out to be $2.96, which I still think is a really good deal if you guys do this deal. But then when you guys buy 3 of the razors, you guys get a $5 gift card for Target. So this deal comes out to be a $2.04 money maker. So definitely do that deal if you guys can do this deal. I love it. I love it when you can get free razors and make some money off of that. So wanted to share with you guys on that, my famous quote. I ended up doing the Simply Ragu. Now, I did this deal last week, but this was a little bit different this week. So these are $1.89. There is a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus, we have $1 off a 2 coupon that we can use. So you guys would end up paying $1.83 for 2 jars of sauce, which is still an okay deal. I mean, usually at under $1. If you get like a jar of sauce and a jar of pasta, or a box of pasta, you guys can make a meal for $2. Like, that's a really good deal. But anyways, you guys can get 75-cent rebate on Ibotta times 2, making this 33 cents or just 16 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. So if you guys want to stock up on sauce, go for it. So it's the Simply Tide, the Ragu Simply, and there's traditional, and then there's another one, but I just got traditional because I'm like that. I got the L'Oreal Shampoo. Now, there's a way you guys can do this. Now, this coupon is a limit of 1 per transaction per day. So I did 1 at Walmart and 1 at Target. You guys would go to L'Oreal, the website. I think it's like Shop L'Oreal or something is what it is. But you guys would go there and you guys would just sign up with your email and they'll give you a coupon that you guys can print, and I did it twice. So do not click print twice. You guys have to go back and re-sign up to get that coupon. Just give you guys a heads up, when you guys do use printable coupons, you cannot hit the quantity button. You got to keep redoing it. Every coupon needs to have a different barcode. So just giving you guys a heads up. But you guys would get this for $3.99. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon from the website. You guys would pay $1.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 49 cents. So 49 cents for a bottle of shampoo is a pretty decent deal. Now let's get into the diaper deals. So the first diaper deal I got is the Pampers Swaddlers. My daughter is still tiny. I think she's gonna be a lot smaller than Ben, so she still needs some more newborn, so I needed more newborn diapers. So these were $8.99. We did get a $1.50 off coupon in this past Sunday's paper, the P&G. So you guys would pay $7.49 for this, but then you guys can get a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making it $4.49. So it's not the greatest deal, but you're pretty much getting the diapers almost half off, which I think is an okay deal. So they also have a better deal that I wanted to do. Like, they have it where if you spend $100, you get $20 gift card. I was thinking of doing that, but I don't have $100 worth of diapers. But if I can get more coupons, I might do that deal. But other than that, this is a great deal for $4.49. So I definitely needed some diapers. Now, the next deal I got is the Easy Up Pampers. Now, I have a friend who, her son needs these, so I got the boy ones for her. But these were actually worked out in my favor because these are $6.28. Now, they're normally $8.99, but these were marked $6.28, which I thought was awesome. So I'm going to give you guys 2 different scenarios in case your store doesn't have these. But these are the 4T, 5T size, and you get 18 of them. If you guys want to pause this, you guys can check out the UPC if it focuses. Otherwise, just send me a message and I can send you guys the UPC. But these were $6.28. So let's say they were $6.28. There is a 3 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use from the P&G. You guys would pay $14.98. Or you guys... Hold on, what am I doing? For $6.28 a piece, use that $3 off coupon, you guys would pay $9.56. You guys will get a $3 rebate and a $3 rebate. My hair is like static to the packages. So you guys will get $6 back with Ibotta. Sorry, my hair is like being all staticky with the diapers. But you guys will get these for $3.56 or $1.78, which is a great, great deal. Now, if they had the girls' ones, I would have done the girls' ones too, but they didn't. So if you guys don't have it for that price, it'd be $8.99. You guys would pay $14.98 after the $3 off coupon. Again, 3 and 3 for back from Ibotta, making it $8.98 or just $4.49, which is an okay deal. So if you guys are interested in that deal, definitely go for it. I like to stock up on diapers. Now the splashers. Now these are still a little bit good. I still probably can't use these till next year, but I still have them just in case, you know, we need them. Will you stop it, please? So the price for these were $9.19, okay? I used a $2 off coupon that was in the P&G. You guys would pay $7.19 for this, but you guys will also get $3 back with Ibotta, making it $4.19. So again, you get them pretty much half off, which I think is a pretty good deal. So definitely do that deal if you guys need some diapers or if you guys need to stock up on it. I mean, usually we can get diapers for cheaper prices, but I still think that's a pretty good deal. And as I was in the baby section, I was shopping around and I found some Love's diapers. Now, they don't sell these usually. This was something that somebody bought online and returned, but the package is in completely perfect shape. So what happened is there was a sticker on here that said the was price was $4.54 and the now price is $3.16. Well, I had that $1 off coupon that we got from the P&G, so I got this for $2.16, which I think is a great deal. I am not brand picky with diapers at all. I will get whatever I can get a deal on. That's what we did with Ben. I used a lot of Walgreens diapers and Pampers, and then by the time I started really couponing, I could care less. As long as it's a diaper and it covers everything up, we're golden. So $2.16 is a pretty good deal. And then I ended up getting some candy. I got the Sour Punch. Now these were $1.29. That coupon is no longer available that I used last week. So you guys would want to use a 20% off cartwheel deal for this. So you guys would get or pay for this for $1.03. Then you guys can submit a 45-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 58 cents. So if you guys want that one. Although otherwise, the regular red vines are $1.29. There's a 15% off cartwheel deal on the Target app. So you guys would pay $1.09 for this. Again, 45-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 64 cents. So I thought, yes. So between Walmart and Target, I needed, like I said, I needed 17 rebates to finish my levels and everything. So my total came to $47.61 for everything that I got, which is an okay deal. I ended up, and I will be, now when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, it didn't catch the diapers, so I had to, you know, force that. So I'm waiting for them to approve it, which they usually approve it at like 2 or 3 in the morning. But I will be getting $26.75 back with Ibotta. I also will be getting a $5, or I also got a $5 gift card that is for the Schick razor deal. I will finish level 3 between Target and Walmart, so I got $2 back with that. And then I needed, again, the same amount for the $5 rebate for the Memorial Day rebate. So I got $5 back with that. So if you guys add everything together, it came to $8.86. I got 15 items. That comes out to be 59 cents a piece, which I will do that. 59 cents for a pack of diapers. Yeah, that is awesome. So yes, definitely do that deal if you guys are really into diapers. If I can get more P&G coupons, I have to maybe go visit some people and see if I can take their coupons, because I didn't order inserts this week and I'm not working, so I don't get my inserts from my work anymore. So I am going to try to see if I can do that, spend $100, get the $20. I'm going to try if my Ibotta resets. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you possibly for a second haul, maybe. And I want to say thank you guys. Bye-bye.